I'm gonna make a quick video on how to add this blink to your phone. So the first thing what you want to do is download this blink app right here, as you can see right here. And I've already downloaded it and put all my stuff in it. So once you download it, you're going to come to this first page right here. So once you come to the front page, you're going to go up here and just hit this plus up here in the corner. So we're going to hit that plus, and we're going to add a device. We're going to have this video doorbell. So I'm going to hit the video doorbell, and I'm going to find and scan the security code. So I'm going to find and scan it, and you see right there it tells you what the security code is. Hit OK. So I'm going to find it and go ahead and scan it, and say create new system. Hit continue, and I'm gonna go ahead and name it. I'm gonna just call it test. Test, and hit continue. I'm gonna add a sync module. No, add without a sync module. So I'm gonna add without a sync module. So now it says open up the back and put in the batteries. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna push this up, and I'm gonna add the two AA batteries that they gave me. Put this cover back on. So you should probably see it blinking a little bit red. Let me see if you can see that. Okay, the next thing you want to do, we're going to hit this continue. So it just walks you right through it. Just follow the instructions, show how to put the batteries in. It says wait until the LED light blinks red. It's doing that, as you can see right here. See it blinking? Then it say discover device. So make sure your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth is on. Say discover device, and it wants you to join. I know it's probably hard to see this, but then you hit join. It's pretty simple. It walks you through all of that stuff. Once it say join, so I'm gonna pick a Wi-Fi. I'm gonna pick my guest Wi-Fi. You pick which one you want, and then it's going to ask you to enter a passcode. Okay, once you enter your password, you hit join. And once you hit join, we'll put this side by side so you can see what's going on. So it's adding your Blink video doorbell. Okay, it says your Blink video doorbell has been added. So now I hit continue. Then it says mount without wiring. We're going to mount without wiring. It tells you all this, and you hit continue. Or you're going to mount the Blink doorbell in place of an existing one. Hit no. We're not going to use this mount right here. We're going to hit no. We don't need to do all of this, so you can hit continue, 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 and hit done. And that's it. And hit OK. Now what you see, it says it's disarmed, so we're going to hit arm. System test, hit OK. So it's on right now. So if I want to turn this on, I'm gonna just go ahead and arm it. Just hit this button. So what it's doing is recording the clip now. So I'm gonna put it on this, back on this mount. If you're in an apartment or something, you can just loosen this up. See how that comes off? And you can adjust this up and down to what level you want. You got it right here. As you can see, I'm gonna close it. And it closes easily. So I'm gonna walk outside and show you what it looks like from outside. You see, if I walk up to it, once I hit this, it's gonna activate on your, or the link there on your phone, and it's gonna start recording the video. And you can hit go live within 60 seconds and talk to someone through here, so you can speak to them through here and they can hear you. And that's really it. So, and it's got a delay whenever the video come through, like, okay, there you go, I just rang that doorbell. I'm gonna show you what the video, see what it looks like. So this, or the link there on your phone, and you can delete these videos, just, but you can walk through the app, it'll show you all the things you need to do, but that's how you install it. It's that simple. All right, have a great day.